Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve question number 40 of NEET Physics paper 2017. Students, let us solve question number 4040. Preeti reached the metro station and found that the escalator was not working. She walked up the stationary escalator in time t1. On other days, if she remains stationary on the moving escalator, then the escalator takes her up in time t2. The time taken by her to walk up on the moving escalator will be. That means, firstly, the information given is when the escalator is not working, it is stationary. That we can take that to be ground. She walked up the stationary escalator. So this is the, if the distance of the escalator is supposed to be d, the person will, the Preeti will start from here and reach this place. When this escalator is at rest, she has to walk, and when she walks, it takes time t1. First situation. Second is that when normal days, she only stands, remains stationary, she doesn't move, but the escalator moves, and to reach here it takes time t2. The time taken by her to walk up the moving escalator, that means when she is also moving and the escalator is moving, then in that situation obviously time will be less. How much time it will take? Suppose the time is t3. So here this is stationary and here it's moving and so on, and both of them are moving. Now this velocity for this one is suppose v1. The speed at which this distance is covered is v1. Here the speed at which the distance is called v2, and here it is suppose v3. That speed is distance over time. That speed is distance over time, and this is the speed of the girl with respect to ground. Okay, that is girl with respect to, we can say, elevator or escalator. This is the speed of the girl with respect to escalator because it's at rest, and it is d over t1. And in this situation, v2, I write v2 as the same d as we traveled in time t2. This is the velocity of the elevator with respect to ground, because here it is not moving, only the escalator is moving. So it is the velocity of the escalator with respect to ground, and that is d over t2. Here it is both of them are moving, then God with respect to ground to find. The velocity of the girl with respect to ground is how much? So girl with respect to ground to find, then we know that velocity of girl with respect to escalator is velocity of girl with respect to ground minus velocity of escalator with respect to ground. This is the situation where to find the velocity of girl with respect to ground, which is velocity of girl with respect to escalator plus velocity of escalator with respect to ground. Velocity of girl with respect to escalator is given as d over t1. You can see here, and the velocity of escalator with respect to ground is escalator with respect to ground is d over t2. And velocity of girl with respect to ground is d over suppose t3. Then from here I'll write that suppose it takes time t3 to reach there when both of them are moving, and 1 over t3 becomes 1 over t1 plus 1 over t2. So from here I'll write that t3 is t1 plus t2 over t1 t2, and from here I'll write that, so this is 1 over t1. So from here I'll write t3 is product upon sum, that is t1 t2 over t1 plus t3. So this is the time the girl will take to reach the up when both of them are moving. So option number 3 is the correct answer to this question. Okay, thank you.